Do not install iOS 27 Beta 3 yet. Here's why. I'm getting similar battery life as Beta 2. I hoped for a better battery life in the Beta 3. But the unusual heating has been fixed now. The phone runs much cooler compared to Beta 2. Here is the battery health after 235 cycle count. Apple Intelligence and iOS are taking less storage compared to the Beta 2. But system data has been increased. There is a spotlight bug. Some apps have been grayed out. This is after the optimization or indexing has been completed. I hope this gets fixed in the public beta release. Keyboard slowdown has been fixed after optimization and indexing pop-up has gone from my settings. And I'm not having any problem with keyboard typing as well as slide to type. I was noticing stutters and random freezes before optimization and indexing pop-up was there. But after it got finished, performance, heat management, and stability has gotten better. Still, I would suggest you to wait for public beta release. Thanks for watching. Peace.